So this is the second video, boys and girls. I will continue where I left off. Jane started the coffee grinder engine in the old boat. She shifted it into forward and the boat began to move away from the dock. "Did you bring the suntan lotion?" Doris called from the front seat. "Yes," Jane answered. "It's next to the cooler." But Jane wasn't thinking about suntan lotion. She was looking far out over the ocean, trying to get a glimpse of the coral reef. She checked the compass and turned the boat slightly toward the south. Probably 15 minutes passed before Jane yelled. "There it is!" She pointed, and Doris turned around. A large red buoy marked the reef. The reef stretched out for several miles, sticking out of the water in places, very white and very sharp. Jane steered the boat to a place where the reef was just below the surface of the water. "Watch out," Doris said. "Don't let the prop hit that reef or we'll be stranded out here." Jane looked at the coral reef below. It was beautiful. It looked like a giant white ridge with a million patterns carved in it. It was a network of sharp knobs and knots and ridges and shadows. Jane could see little caves with fish swimming in and out of them. She said to herself, "It's hard to believe that anything so beautiful could be dangerous."